Shin TV Channel. Thank you for joining. I'm back with another video.
I gave you my heart.
So first off, I already saturated my hair with this. Yeah, I already with the petroleum baby jelly. And so I saturated here. I part my stuff. I'm going to show you how I did it. I do the back as well. I'm gonna twist this one. And before we get into this video, guys, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button to know whenever I upload, and comment down below on the videos you would like me to see.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Time we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Falling all over again, and our hands are tight, can fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise?